In this guide, we'll see how to add unused layers in Clip Studio Paint. We'll go through the steps to add unused layers in Clip Studio Paint, including how to organize them and the different layer settings you can utilize to enhance your artwork. Begin by opening Clip Studio Paint and create a new document by going to File, New. Select Illustrations and choose your desired size and resolution, and then click OK to create the document or the page. Your new document will start with default paper layer, which serves as your background. You can double check on the paper layer to change its color if needed, but we'll keep it white. To add a new layer, click on the new raster layer icon at the bottom of the layer panel to go to Layer, and then New Raster Layer. Double-click the layer name to rename it. Name it layers like flat colors, shadows, whatever you want, because it helps you keep your work organized. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.